Allie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is going to be another medical assisting related video, and I will just be sharing with you the 10 items I was told to get or recommended to get as a medical assistant but never use. Keep in mind this is just my top 10 list and you may have a different list. If you guys have a product that a lot of people told you you would use or you thought you would need but never do, definitely leave it in the comments so we can all hear what it is. And keep in mind that you may use something on my list on a regular basis that I don't ever use, because we're all different and we all work at different places and we all work in different specialties. I personally don't think any medical assistant is the same as another. We are all individuals and all different. But with that being said, let's jump in and see what 10 things are on my list. They are in no particular order, but the first one is a pen light. I heard this from about 3 different people that I would use a pen light on a regular basis, and that's not the case. I have never used it in the office or for anything medical assisting related. However, I do use my pen light. I use it as a flashlight if I need to see something, and it's handy right there. I do not use the pen light to check pupils, which is what it's used for, and I don't use it as a medical assistant in the field. The second item is a stethoscope holder. I can't remember who told me this, but someone told me that you're not supposed to wear your stethoscope around your neck and that it's supposed to be in a stethoscope holder or stethoscope clip. And this was way back before I even started medical assisting, and I never went out into the field until my externship, which was after I graduated, and I was in healthcare based classes for 6 years, earning 2 associate degrees. But somewhere I was told by someone that stethoscopes can't or shouldn't be worn around your neck and that you would need a clip. So when I was out getting scrubs and stuff one day, I was like, I might as well get one since I'm gonna need it because I'm gonna be out in the field. I don't think I've met a single other person in my journey as a medical assistant or even as a patient that has used a stethoscope clip or holder. I don't think I've seen anyone not wear a stethoscope around their neck. The third item is trauma shears. Now, these are probably something used on a regular basis in a quick care setting or in orthopedics. However, in family medicine and primary care, trauma shears are not needed. They can come in helpful at some points, like if you need to open anything and you can't get it open and need scissors, it's nice to be able to like whip those out and use them, or if you have to cut off a bandage. But other than that, trauma shears really are not used in the primary care and family medicine practices. The fourth item is a cute lanyard. Now this one is split 50-50 because I have had so many people tell me that you gotta get a really cute lanyard for your badge to go on because a lanyard is way better than a badge reel and that you should get a Vera Bradley one. And then on the other hand, there are people who are like, literally all you need is a basic badge reel. You can get them at Dollar Tree or you can get cute ones on Etsy. And so I went ahead and got both. And let me tell you, I hated using a lanyard. It was annoying. It got tangled in my hair. It got tangled in my stethoscope. And it was not easy to use when accessing a computer. Most badges have a chip in them that you just tap to the computer and it'll log you in automatically. And with a badge reel, it's super easy to log in because most people wear their badges up around the neck and shoulder area, and they have a pull string so you can literally just pull it and tap the screen. However, with a lanyard, the length that you need is not long enough, so you end up having to like jerk forward in order to actually reach the computer to sign in, and it just was not for me. I'm more of a badge reel person, and I have super duper cute ones, and then I have plain basic ones. If you guys want to see like a badge reel collection, I could do that. Just let me know. The fifth item is cute scrubs. This is one of those ones that is also a 50-50 because having cute scrubs that are prints and stuff like that is great if you're working in a pediatric office or you're just one of those people that likes to show off and be bubbly and show your personality in your scrubs, which is all fine and dandy unless you work in an office where scrubs are provided for you and they are all solid colors that are embroidered with the logo and name of the facility. For my student externship, I got a ton of cute scrubs, so I have a huge collection of them. During my interview for my externship, I literally asked if I would need to wear solid colored scrubs or if I would be able to wear printed ones if they were to take me on as a student extern, and they were like, nope, you can wear whatever you want just as long as they are scrubs. So if you're working at an office where scrubs are provided for you, having a ton of cute scrubs is pretty pointless. Number 6 is also a scrub one, and it is having high-end scrubs such as the big scrubs. They are really pricey quality, and I'm on a budget. I don't have that kind of money to spend on expensive scrubs. I literally get most of my scrubs from either Walmart, or we have an outlet store that sells scrubs, and they are cheaper than what you would have to pay full price at a regular retailer. With the expensive designer like scrubs, I feel like you keep inside your bubble so that nothing gets on them, and you don't want to wear them too much because it'll wear them out. Some of you may really like the quality, the fit, the look of it, but I'm all for the cheap scrubs. Number 7 is an expensive watch. I was told I would need a really good high quality watch. So for Christmas one year, I asked for an ice watch. I've shown it in previous videos and I absolutely love it. It is such a great watch, and let me tell you, you can literally go to Walmart and pick up one of the $10 watches and it'll do the exact same thing. I don't know what I was thinking when I listened to people who are like, yeah, you really need a really good high-end expensive watch. My Walmart watch I've had for 4 years now and have used so much, and it's still going, and I paid $10 for it. More often than not, the room you're in with a patient is going to have a giant clock on the wall with a second hand that you can follow when doing respirations and stuff like that. So half the time you may not even need a watch in general. The 8th item is a big fancy tote, and I assumed I would need one because that's what I see everyone else use as their work bag. I got a Michael Kors tote for Christmas years ago because it was my dream bag and it's something I wanted, and so my parents got it for me for Christmas, and once I got it I was like, oh, this is perfect. I can use it as my work bag. It's a really nice tote. That is not the case because I'm not gonna leave a nice designer bag out in the open at my desk or anything like that, and it doesn't fit in a locker, and I quite honestly would rather bring a backpack so I can just throw everything in it and throw it under my desk when I get to work, take it from under my desk, throw it in my car when I'm done work. It fits a lot more and it does the same thing. Item number 9 is compression socks. Now, I can see where a lot of people are coming from when they recommend getting compression socks. They are great, especially if you are on your feet all day. I wear them sometimes just because they're a clean pair of socks and they're cute. Now, obviously, if you're a nurse, compression socks are probably going to be your best friend. However, in family medicine, compression socks really aren't needed. Obviously, if you have issues and need them, wear them, but I have no need for them. And the last and 10th item is expensive clogs. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know my views on this one. I hate clogs, especially Danskos. Everyone in the healthcare field literally raves about Danskos, and I'm that person who can't stand them and absolutely hates them. I will never be caught wearing Danskos. And here are some reasons why. One, I went to the store to try them on because my parents were like, well, you need them for work and stuff, and we will buy them for you if you find a pair you like. And so I was like, I'm gonna take them up on this because Danskos are A, expensive, and B, I don't want to dish out the money for expensive shoes to begin with. So we went to the store and tried them on, and literally the first pair I tried on, I rolled my ankle because the edges of them are just not for my ankles. Let me tell you, Danskos are not for everyone. And I've also heard horror stories of people twisting their ankles and breaking their ankles wearing Danskos, and I'm that person because I'm clumsy. So right then and there, I was like, nope, we're not doing Danskos. And I turned around and looked, and I saw that Crocs makes clogs, and let me tell you, I am a Croc lover. I have classic Crocs, I have fun Crocs that are flats that I can wear with cute outfits, so I was like, I can just add to my Croc collection and I'll get a pair of Croc clogs. I found a pair that I liked, I got them, and like when I tried them on in the stores, I was like, oh my god, these are so comfortable. I walked around the store and I was all good and stuff, and I wore them for a day. I came home and my feet hurt so bad that I brought them back and returned it and was like, we're gonna find some sneakers instead. So that's what I did. I found some Nike sneakers. They are my absolute favorite. I actually have 3 pairs that I rotate through and love. I've never had a single issue with them, and this is coming from someone who has screws in their knee because they dislocated and broke off their kneecap, and someone with back issues, and I do not have a single issue wearing sneakers. So those are just 10 things that I thought I would need or was recommended that I get as a medical assistant, but that I never use. Like I said earlier, yours may be completely different, and you may use something on my list on a regular basis that I just never use. If you do have something on your list that I didn't mention, leave it in the comments so we can all see. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!